The sky is crying. It's raining a bit today. And honestly, the day after the release of the Tyre Nichols video here in Memphis where I am, that's how I feel. That's how a lot of us feel. Shocked, appalled, disgusted. Hi guys, this is SYNOLVE. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I love you guys no matter where you are. And I'm hailing you guys here from the garden, our urban oasis, the garden of solidarity and justice, food and food security, where we teach through craft organization. We teach through craft organization, the organization that hubby and I started to teach people to farm, to take care of themselves and their families. This is our resistance here, a resistance garden here in Memphis. And so I pray that you are well and enjoy in peace wherever you are. I just can't imagine that anyone who calls himself a policeman would do something like that to anyone, especially one of our own, to someone who looked just like them. It's unimaginable. But the sky is crying, it's rainy, it's a dreary day, the day after the video release. And I'm in the garden because you guys know just a few days ago we dedicated trees to some of our loved ones here in the garden, not knowing that something like this just a few days later would occur. And so for me, you guys know that the garden is my refuge, it's my happy space, it's my healing place, my serenity. And so this tree isn't even really in yet. The one that we planted two. This is the Kiefer pear, and then we planted an Asian pear. They're doing pretty well, as you can see. But it's just an interesting time here in Memphis. It's surreal and quiet. Over the past few weeks, we have cleaned out a lot in the garden and discarded a lot. Looks like the city has picked a lot of it up, and so that's good. And so we are always working in the garden because we're always weeding and cleaning things out and getting rid of things that we don't need. This is some of the things that we've discarded here in the garden. And as we look at what's going on with Tyre Nichols, and while yes, there are some good policemen and there are good people in the world, there are so times when things must be discarded and people who are not serving the community as they should, or not honoring their code of ethics to protect and serve, must not be allowed to continue in those positions of power and use suppression tactics to control and to discard and have a disregard for human life. And so as I stand here in protest and resistance in a garden where we provide food justice in an unjust system, food system, I'm reminded that as Dr. King walked and stood for freedom, that freedom is not free, and that we must continue to stand for freedom because our work is not over and our work is not done. The garden is the place where I come to heal and to release and to let go. It's where I come to breathe and to think and to talk to y'all and you guys. It's the place where dreams and miracles are born. And so today I'm releasing and I let go. I wrote on my community tab. It's my place I can cry here in the garden. I wrote on my community tab that I call back all of my energy and I release all of the negative energy. And I hope you'll do the same. I hope you'll do the same, because we are going to get through this. It's been some tough days, right? Some tough days ahead. Every day is not Sunday. But together we can stand for justice. Together we can stand for peace, and we can make sure that the people I was looking down, sorry. Thought I saw a rabbit. But we can ensure that the people who did this to this young man, even though he's not my son, he's not my child, but I feel like he could have been my son, my child. And if we allow for one child to be hurt and treated inhumanely this way, then this could happen to any one of us. So today, I stand for justice and I stand for peace here in Memphis, Tennessee. And I pray that wherever you are, that you are standing too. We stand together. We stand together. Let love rise and let justice and freedom reign. And so we send the Nichols family love and peace to his mom. He called out to his mom just moments, just seconds and feet away from his home. He called out for his mom. And so we are in prayer for his mom and his dad and his family and his friends and his child and all that loved him and knew him. To Skate community, to his beautiful sunsets, which I'm sure he's watching now. We send our love and our prayers, because we stand with you. We stand with you.